I believe we sometimes finish an application, we finish developing an application, we start asking ourselves, how do we take people to that application? How do we get users for that application? But I believe that question is the wrong question to ask. How do you take or how do you get users for your application is a too general question. I will explain it to you in this video. Because first of all, before thinking about how do you get users or how you will get users for your application, you need to ask yourself, how do you take users to the landing page? Then how do you convert those users on that landing page? And finally, how do you create such a good product that people recommend your product to other people, to their friends or family? So I don't want to show you like a quick hack to get users or some stupid thing that doesn't work. I want to show you how to think, I mean the mindset behind getting users for your application, for your software as a service. So let's break it down. First, how do you take users to your landing page? Well, in this step, you will see that you can use like 1,000 different ways to get users to your landing page. Now, the important thing here, when you are creating ads or you are creating content or you are writing or optimizing your page for SEO or whatever you are doing, you can use the 20-80 rule, which is 20% of your efforts gets you, drives 80% of your results. And here you can combine it with the lean method for getting users. What I mean by that is you do something new, you start trying something new, you measure, you learn, and you iterate. You come back to where you were. So let's say you are creating ads on Instagram, you are writing tweets, you are optimizing your page for SEO. Okay, you see that 5 people are coming from Instagram, 5 people are coming from Twitter, but 10 people are coming from the search engine. Okay, so you put all your efforts on optimizing your page for SEO. It's as simple as that. Then once people are reaching your website or reaching your landing page, you need to ask yourself, how do I convert more on my landing page? Or as simple as, does my landing page convert? And if your landing page is not converting, you can use the method of asking yourself why it's not converting 5 times. And this is from the lean method book. So let's say your landing page is not converting. Okay, why it's not converting? Because I have a shitty call to action. Okay, why do I have a shitty call to action? Because I didn't put time on the call to action. Okay, why I didn't put time on the call to action? Because I was so busy creating the product. Okay, why I was so busy creating the product? Because I didn't want to hire a developer or whatever. And you convert a big problem into a small one. Then once you solve your landing page, you go to the product. Okay, because if your landing page is converting, okay, but we still have like one step left. How can you create such a good product that people recommend you? Because if people recommend your product, it will be the easiest way to grow. And instead of growing in a linear way, it will grow exponentially. So use these 3 principles. First one, the lean method. Okay, launch, measure, learn, and iterate. Then the 20-80 rule. And finally, every time that you have a problem on your software as a service or your landing page, ask yourself why at least 5 times, and you will come to a conclusion to the root of the problem. Now, if this video helped you, you would help me a lot if you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, because in that way we can keep reaching new people and YouTube keeps recommending our content. Now, I will update you on the next couple of days on the about the next application that I will be building. So stay tuned because I will upload a video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.